are in Chappell Hill, Texas. And we're going to check out this little downtown and see what's happening. Got the bank right here, built in 1878. See, nice restoration of that old building. The old rock store built in 1869. Oh my gosh. And this is their meeting hall. A little beer joint, Cheers Ice House. Now this is probably the prettiest post office I've seen. Look at all these blue bonnets. A great little wrought iron fence. Beautiful. Not sure what's up with this building. Grapevine on the Main. Walk up to this nice building over there. Look at that beautiful old house. Wow, it's big. Let's check out this church. This is a nice old church. Very nice. It's the Providence Baptist Church, founded in 1842. This present church was built in the 1870s. Very nice. It's a little map of Chappell Hill. There's not much here, but they make sure you know where everything is. More bluebonnets. This is the Caparina Art Gallery. There's our buzzards. Another very nice restored building. Very nice. Alright guys, don't text in this city. Do it later. Got the Brazos Star, another antique store. Got a plant store. Let's see if we can let that car go. There you go. The Bluebonnet House. Howdy. Oh, here's the Masonic Lodge. It's a great old building, chartered in 1851. Here's a little structure of Freemasonry thing, tell you all about it. I know nothing about Freemasonry. And that's about it for this town. I'm glad I stopped. I usually just drive past Chappell Hill on the way to Houston, but I stopped this time. And I'm glad y'all came along with me. It was fun. Well, Chappell Hill, everyone. Thanks for coming, and remember, you are all dearly loved.